Mehbooba Mufti is appearing before the ED in connection with a money laundering case. Now, we are of course getting you these first visuals on Republic TV where we can see Mehbooba Mufti reaching the ED office. Zeenat is on the phone line with me. Zeenat, give us more details about this particular case. Of course, she is there for questioning in a money laundering case.
See, as far as the Mehbooba Mufti just reached to ED office here in Rajbagh area of Srinagar. In fact, she was called by ED to Delhi last week, but she could not be present there because she went also to the court. Now she has just reached to the ED office here in Srinagar's Rajbagh area. Although she has been called by enforcement directorate, but under what circumstances she has been called in and the case, she don't know the details of the case for which she has been called in. In fact, we are seeing a tight grip of ED or NIA as far as the political leaders are concerned. In fact, she is third in row as far as the ED notice was concerned. Earlier, Farooq Abdullah was also called by enforcement directorate. Now Mehbooba Mufti has reached here Rajbagh's ED office where she will be questioned, and how long the questioning will take, that depends, but she has just reached here to present herself before the enforcement directorate because the details of the case are not known as of now. As Mufti has been saying, she has been her leaders have been continuously being grilled by the ED, or for that matter even NIA. If you remember, there was an ED raid of Anjum Fazli, also one of the close aide of Mehbooba Mufti in Delhi as well as in Srinagar, where her premises were also searched by the ED, and also the cash and other things were recovered from the place. Now needs to be seen what will come out from this today's questioning, because we are very sure that once she is out from the ED office, Mehbooba Mufti will speak to the press and will also reveal the details for which she has been called it, because as of now she is not aware why she has been called by the ED and for which case the ED is investigating.
Now, of course, Zeenat, as you're pointing out, she had earlier challenged this in the Delhi High Court, and she had questioned the Section 50 of the PMLA under which she's been summoned. Now, she's not the only one who's been summoned in that. Give us more details.
See, yes, she went to Delhi High Court to get the stay on this, but she was refused. She did not get any relief from the Delhi High Court, and now she made her appearance before ED today here in Srinagar's Rajbagh area. In fact, there had been a number of tweets that had come from Mehbooba Mufti that the central government is using the investigating agencies against her political party, and she has been calling it more like dealing with the iron hand as far as the Delhi is coming on. Mehbooba Mufti and other political leaders who are quite critical about the Modi government in centre, but at the same time we have also been seeing the way Delhi is maintaining that nobody will be swayed if they have siphoned public money. They let the investigating agency play its role. Although Mehbooba's close aide Wahidur Rahman Para is also under custody as in Srinagar now. So there is a role of NIA also suggested that the Wahid was in close touch with Hizbul Mujahideen. He was providing funding to them, and also now there are also the reports that Mehbooba has spoken to one of the Hizb commanders, but that let the role of the investigation take its place. But right now it is definitely a buzz in Srinagar as far as the Mehbooba Mufti's news before is concerned. She is before NIA today, and she is there to face all kind of questioning, because Mehbooba has been maintaining that she has not done anything wrong, that she will be punished. But we have also seen the way ED conducted questioning as far as the Dr. Farooq Abdullah was concerned. He was questioned by ED couple of times, in fact in Srinagar as well, and then that time also Dr. Farooq Abdullah maintained that it is just that the ED he wants to create some kind of fear because these political leaders have been against Delhi and its rule. So as of now, the questioning has just begun, because the timing that was given to Mehbooba was 11 o'clock, and she has reached here on time, and now needs to be seen whether she will be questioned for a few minutes or the hours questioning will be there, and what kind of details will Mehbooba Mufti share after she comes out from ED office. The kind of investigations that had been going on since 2017, whether it was NIA role as
far as the terror funding in Kashmir Valley is concerned. And I had been investigating not only the separatist leaders, in fact, the businessmen and other people were questioned since 2017. And also this trade link was also under scanner as far as the people who were associated with the trade. So now the ED is also spreading its wings as far as the political leaders of the Jammu and Kashmir are concerned. And today Mehbooba Mufti has presented herself before ED because she was called first to Delhi, and now she has been asked to appear here in Srinagar's office.
Now, even as we are looking at visuals that are coming to us from Srinagar, earlier, of course, Mehbooba Mufti had said that she'll not be able to make an appearance in Delhi, and hence asked for the ED officials whether she could actually answer their questions in Srinagar. And visuals that you see on your screens right now, in fact, coming to you from Srinagar, where she's being questioned. But if I could come back to you on the ground, Wahidur Rahman Para is a very close aide of her, who is also being questioned and looked, his nexus is being looked at in various cases. Now, are these cases linked, or is this under the Act, Section 50 of the PMLA? Zeenat?
Yeah, can you please repeat your question?
Zeenat, I was asking you about what's happening inside. We understand that this particular case, we don't really have details as to what this money laundering case pertains to, but she had earlier gone to the High Court against it. But any more details that you're getting right now?
See, as far as Miss Mufti's version is concerned, she has been maintaining that she is not aware about why she has been called by the ED. It's more like to pressure her, it's more like a pressure tactics, because she has been vocal about Delhi as well as the Modi government, and she was the first one to say that if anything happens to article in Kashmir, nobody, rather in Jammu and Kashmir, people will not be there, nobody will in fact hoist national flag, and all other critical comments had come from Miss Mufti right from the day she was released after a detention of almost 1 year. But now we are also seeing the way the ED summoned Miss Mufti and also the other political leaders, whether it was Dr. Farooq Abdullah. In fact, the ED conducted raid at Mufti's close aide Anjum Fazli in Delhi as well as Srinagar, where not only the incriminated material but also the cash was recovered. But as Mufti has been maintaining that she don't know why she has been called, why she is being questioned. The only line that the PDP, in fact, all political leaders of the People's Democratic Party, they are just saying just to create more pressure on Mehbooba Mufti.
Absolutely,
not to be more
that questioning, of course, carrying on inside the ED's office at Srinagar. For the moment, Zeenat, thank you.